Bottle.py caching templates despite being in debug mode. I just built my first Bottle.py app on Gay. It's working except that when I change the templates I have to restart the dev server to see the changes. The docs say that template caching is supposed to be disabled when Bottle.debug true, and that you can call Bottle.template.clear as well, but neither of those work. I also tried setting run reloader equals true, but that causes an error. What am I doing wrong? Does Bottle.debug work for anyone else on Gay? Update: instead of using Bottle.runServer equals Gay, I included the standard main function myself and now it works.
The standard method introduced by bottle/gay doc is app equals bottle.app. Then invoke dev_observer.py. It reads app.yml and imports your app from the script you defined, and handle everything else for a Gay environment. You shouldn't run your py directly. Running from the bottle way will skip those handles from dev_observer, including the template cached mechanism. Of course, using the util from Google does trick way and works, but according to USGI or other USGI-related projects documents, the app variable in the script module is the object should be offered for the upper handling.
From the documentation. Templates are cached in memory after compilation. Modifications made to the template files will have no effect until you clear the template cache. Call bottle.templates.clear to do so. Caching is disabled in debug mode. The method run will enable debug mode. The default template is simple template in stable version 0.11.6. You can write your own adapter for your favorite template engine or use one of the predefined adapters. Currently there are 4 fully supported template engines: class, URL, decorator, render, function. Simple template, engine, view, template. Mako template, this URL, Mako_view, Mako_template. Cheetah template, this URL, Cheetah_view, Cheetah_template. Jinja2 template, this URL, Jinja2_view, Jinja2_template. Try using some other template engine than the default. To use Mako template as your default template engine, just import its specialized decorator and render function. Check that you don't have duplicated files in the view paths. Print out templates dictionary.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.